Hello and welcome to a Scratch tutorial, and today I thought I'd make a Scratch tutorial. If you are a beginner, this tutorial is good for you. So first we enter Google or Firefox and search up Scratch. I have the link already here when I type S, but I just search up Scratch now. And here, this first link is Scratch, the Scratch official website. I'm already logged in as Nico Tutor English, but if you're not logged in, then you'll see this. You can join Scratch or sign in. These 4 buttons up here, I changed the text there. Here it says Entdecken because I'm German. Here for you it would say create, explore, and more things. And now let's look at this Scratch website. We have here featured projects that are projects that Scratch things are cool. Like, let me look at this iceberg. Now there's music. It was a little loud. Then we can play here the instructions. And yes, if you are one day a good scratcher, you could program something like this. Now, you can look more at the Scratch website by yourself when you want, but I would think we could just make an account at first. So, if you click the Join Scratch button, you need to enter a username, a password, and type it again. I just make something. Then you need to select your country. And then you need to enter your birthday, but not the day, only the month and the year. Which gender you are. And now you need to enter your email address and then you can create your account. But I have already an account, so I just log in with this account. Very good. Now, I think you didn't do anything in this account. I did something that are my old tutorials, but let's create a new project. If your website, if you don't have Scratch add-ons installed, would look not like as my website looks, but the new project button button should be somewhere here. Now, I create a new project. And now we have here this cat, the project name. And yes, let's just look at the blocks we have in Scratch, so how we can code. In the motion category, there is a move block, and here is 10 steps in there. When we click it, the cat moves 10 steps to the right. Again and again and again. Now, what when we want that the cat moves left? Then we just need this point in direction block. Direction 90 is right and direction negative 90 is left. So we now face left. And turn upside down. We address that later. Just again point in direction 90 and yes, it is fixed. Now, what is this block? We just turn 15 degrees here to the right, clockwise. Now we can enter 180. Or we can enter negative 10. Then we turn left. Then we can click this point in direction block again, and we face again forward. This turn left block does the same like the turn right block, but in the other direction. Now, what is this block? Just click it, and we see that the cat actually goes to a random position. Now, when we click on this random position, we have a choice, random position with mouse pointer. Let's go to mouse pointer. And my mouse pointer was here because I need to click this go to. Why don't we do that? You one time click it and then it moves every time forever to your mouse pointer. In the control category, yes, there is a forever loop. Click that, and yes, that looks good. With this forever loop, we can do much more things, like pop in this forever loop these two blocks above the go to mouse pointer and click it. That doesn't do anything, but when we make a turn right by 15 degrees, oh yes, that's funny. Yay! Now, I want to show you what all these blocks do. Like, what is this? Do you know X and Y, the coordinates from math in school? X is how where the cat is on the scale, left and right, like it says here. And Y is where the cat is on up and down. Like this position now, when we delete this block again, we do that if we drag it in here and then drag a new out, we see this block was updated to the current position. Now, we can make a little script with this. We need to move 10 steps again, and we move the go to mouse pointer. Pop that again in the forever loop, back in the forever loop, and then from the control category again, drag out a wait 1 second block and pop it in there. Then pop this block in here, and when we click the green flag, the project should start. So where do we find this block? In the events category, when green flag clicked. There. Now click the green flag and that isn't that cool. But now duplicate this script, right click duplicate, and then we move these 2 blocks. Here we move these 2 blocks. And in this forever loop, we wait 1 second and then go to. Ooh, yeah! That is looking cool. We are spinning around a point. Then we move 10 steps. And then we go again to this point. When I remove this script, we see that it turns like crazy. And yes, it goes in this direction. Now, we need the when green flag clicked block very often. So drag it here and this glide and drag out this glide in 1 second to random position. Now click the green flag and yes, we use again the forever loop. And now we see in 1 second the cat doesn't go to a random position, teleports there, but glide. We could also glide in 1 second to mouse pointer. Then it follows the mouse pointer. We can combine that with the point towards mouse pointer block. That's a new block. And now it turns in the direction my mouse pointer is. Now, we can here also point towards random direction. Then, what is this? Here. Remove these two blocks again. And here we have also a glide in 1 second tool, and we can enter coordinates like 45 and 67. When we do this, yes, only one time you can glide, because then it is already on this position. So, we know what this block does. Now, I don't think I need to tell you what these blocks do. I think you know it already, because this go to X and Y, this block does the same if we say set X2 and set Y2. But now we also can change X and Y. Like for example, we are on the X and Y position 0 and 0. Now, you see, we were flying in this direction. Why? Because forever we change X by 10, so we're going right, and change Y by 10, so we were going up. And upwards at the same time where we're going right is this direction. So that's our the change blocks. I hope you know what I mean. This is on edge bounce block, is when we forever change X by 10, not change X but change Y, and let's say negative 10, and then if on edge bounce, then it bounces, and that it's better, we can drag out this move 10 steps. And before we move 10 steps, I face downwards, so in direction 180. And would go to 0, 0. This point in direction, we need to go to it there, and yes, now it works. We see it bounces from this edge to this edge, edge on edge and edge. Now, we have another new block, set rotation style. With this, we have at the beginning of the video, we had the problem that when we we're moving negative 10 steps, so left. Wait, I need to point in direction 90. When we were moving negative 10 steps, wait, now it isn't the case, but we were turning upside down. I don't know why now it isn't the case, but we could fix that with this set rotation style block. Now, when I set it to left and right, and then change X by 10, it looks right, but when the cat looks right, but when I change X by negative 10 and point in direction negative 90, now it faces left. But now when we set rotation style to all around, then why is it upside down? Let me set rotation style again to left right. Then change X by 10, point in direction 90. Click that. And now here, click into this direction. Click this button all around. And then here, enter the direction negative 90. We turn upside down. Now enter the direction 90. We aren't, because when we turn in the center of our body, around the center of our body. So now we're fully upside down. But when we say scratch left right, you can only turn left or right. We have this conclusion. And if we say do not rotate, it just doesn't rotate. Now, I think you noticed already, there are 3 more things, but we can just drag them out here and click them. In direction, it says in which direction the cat is looking, and the other things I think I say self-explanatory. Now when we click this, it just gets visible on the stage. Now, what are the say blocks? This say hello for 2 seconds block says hello for 2 seconds. Self-explanatory. But this block says hello forever. Until it says something else. So drag out the wait 1 second and then say I just say free. Then click that. It says hello and then 3. Because if it says something, it says that forever, But if the say block is another time used, it says 3 for every. I hope you know what I mean. Now, these think blocks are the same as the say blocks, but it is not a speech bubble, but this think bubble with these points. Now, when we click in this costumes tab, then we see we have here 2 costumes, and we can switch between these. Click again in the code tab when we drag out the switch costume to costume 2, and then we can duplicate that, right click duplicate, and switch costume again, costume 1. Forever loop around it when green flag clicked. And here, wait 1 second. Click the green flag. And, we need also wait 1 second here. And yes, that looks good. But the next costume block is an other block. Now we're on costume 2. When we go to the next costume, there is no next costume, so it comes again to the costume 1. Then costume 2, and again and again. Now, the same thing works with backdrops. So, if we click in this thing, and then on backdrops, we can click on this rectangle and just drag our mouse. Your color should be another color, but that isn't that important. Now, if you think that's good, then stop and duplicate this thing. Click on this select tab, select the rectangle, click here, and make it another color. Like I make it this color. Then click into code and then click here. Then when green flag clicked, we just do the same thing forever. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second here. We move the wait 1 second above. And that's cool. Now that's it for this episode. In this episode, we learned how to work with these motion blocks, with the say blocks, the think blocks, switch costume blocks, switch backdrop blocks, next backdrop, and next costume block. We also covered what the when green flag click block is, and what the forever block and the wait 1 second block is. So, if you enjoyed this episode, then it's would be really cool if you leave a like and subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of effort in producing these videos, and it would make me very happy if someone like you likes and subscribe. And now I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you how to use Scratch. And now, bye.